We uncover the realities of working at a Polish pizza and pastry factory. Our experience covers the work environment, tasks, and challenges. Learn about the roles and whether it's a good fit. For 3 months, 3 weeks.
Good afternoon. My name is Mariana. I have been working here for 3 months. The first month was difficult for me, firstly, because the work takes 12 hours, which is unusual, but then you get into it and it's pretty good. I've been working here for almost 3 months. I'll probably be the 4th.
What documents? Visa?
I came for biometrics, by official invitation, by dedication, for 3 months. By visa for half a year.
Have you worked before in Poland? Or is this the first time?
No, this is the first time. Yes, I'm in Poland for the first time.
Yes, I work for biometrics. No, not the first time. If it's not a secret, where did you work for it? The production was completely different, but it's not far from here, in Chinstykov. Well, I didn't go back there. I consider it a show. Is this job better? Much better.
Okay, let's put it this way. What is it better than your previous one?
It is easier, it is more profitable, and I like the attitude in the team and the attitude of the Poles directly to the workers. What products are produced here? Pizza and pastries are made here. For Ukrainians, pastries are not cheese. Pastries are like hot sandwiches with different fillings.
Also, buns and steaks are made. This is a semi-finished product that we need to bake at home. Croquettes and segonkas. Croquettes are fried pancakes in a pan, and segonkas are just fried pancakes.
What kind of processes do you work on?
Oh, I've been everywhere. I was at the bakery. I laid out the shapes of the pizzas. I made them out of the molds. I also worked on the layout. There are several processes. On the spiral, this is also a process related to pizza directly. I was on the sauces. I was cooking sauces. Very interesting, exciting, not difficult to do. The only thing I didn't have was packaging. I work in a cold shop and my job is that there is a conveyor and I'm a car and I pack the product into cardboard, paste the labels and take it to a special place.
Do you have a conveyor at work?
Yes.
Can you do it?
Yes.
What is it for?
I have to choose the products and pack them in cartons. I have to paste the labels, look for quality so that there are no holes, so that there is a date, so that the foil is not torn, so that the quality corresponds. Yes, there is a shop called Pizza Storage. There is a conveyor.
Do you work at the shop?
Yes. Yes, this is when I get to put the pizza. There is conveyor work, but the lines can stop when you don't have time. This is also allowed. Everything is fine. Well, basically, we all have time because there is such a pace that people still have time to do, and the product is of high quality and not something.
Are the people who work on the conveyor satisfied with the conveyor, or say that they can't do it quickly?
Those who come and work for the first or second week, of course, they regret it. It's hard for them, they are not used to it. Those who work stably, on the contrary, like it. Today, for example, the situation is that a girl fell from laying pizza on the bakery. And she has a fairly easy job, probably the easiest one at the bakery, which is to fold the looms into baskets. And on the contrary, she wanted to go to the conveyor in the cold, because it is much better for her to work there.
What do you like more?
I like such systematic processes that only I am responsible for, and I have nothing to do with the team, that is, they set me up and I work.
And what about the pace?
I work fast. Some work at an average pace. It is adjusted for each person.
Do you have time?
Yes.
And what happens if other people for some reason do not have time? Are they fined?
No, they just adjust the car or give help to the person. No, I think the person just goes home. You know, if a person has a desire, then he will learn everything. And here is not such a crazy pace that you lose consciousness or your hands are numb. Everything is very, well, I don't know, normal speed.
How much time did you need to start working at such a pace as is required of you?
I don't know. I got it right away.
Right away?
Yes. Well, not a long period of time, about a month, about 3 weeks. I can't say for sure. I don't remember anything from that moment.
Do you need to know Polish to start working here?
I don't know Polish at all, but now I understand more or less what to say and learn a few words.
So you can come and start working?
Yes. It's not necessary, because there is a person who can translate it all. Polish knowledge is needed, of course, directly, at least at the initial level. But if not, there will be no obstacles here. There are disadvantages to each job. This is 100%.
What are the disadvantages here?
There are disadvantages, of course. It happens that we perform. As for women, we perform a difficult job, that is, it is music. If you work near working in a line and pulling music for an hour is good. If you do it during 8 hours, it's very difficult. Not every girl has the strength to pull up to 120 pounds with bottles. There are disadvantages, yes, but this is not constant. That is, you will not work for a week and pull 8 hours of music. It can be once or twice, no more.
Is the work hard for you?
No.
Is there anything you don't like about this job?
I like everything. We have a cold shop and a hot shop. If you don't like the cold or the heat, you can adjust to your conditions. I like everything. I work at the bakery and in cold shops in turn. It's good there and there. Well, no, in principle.
Okay, what are the disadvantages of this job for you?
We do not fall asleep, and so, in principle, everything is flat. Nothing, I like everything.
And what about the temperature?
+6 degrees.
Is everything okay?
Everything is fine. I know that in every enterprise there are always people who are dissatisfied with something.
Are there people here who are dissatisfied with something? And if they're dissatisfied, then what?
I have about 30 people in my shift. They come out every day. Within 10, they have already applied for the Pobuda and Voivoda cards, but I think this is an indicator. There are people and family couples who are returning here for the first time.
In your opinion, what work is the worst at this plant?
There are no worse jobs. Maybe there is something harder, there is something easier. For example, in the bakery, this is a mousetrap, this is pulling mousetrap, this is pulling a barrel with dough, throwing the dough, that is, this is hard work. Well, of course, at the end of the month, the brigadiers already choose who was the hardest. This is a reward. That is, those who do the folding, just fold the sheets, and those who do the dough, they seem to have one bet, but it's all seen and it's all permeated. Well, the brigadier will decide for himself why and how. If you take it for laying, well, I wouldn't say it's hard work. It's hard there because it can be very, well, you have to do it quickly, you have to do it well, and it's probably the most difficult part.
Is there an opportunity to switch to another process if this one is not suitable for some reason?
Yes.
What do you need to do for this?
Come to the brigade. Yes, of course. If you give information that it is difficult for you, you do not have the strength or desire, you refuse, and you are put on another process. I do not know, probably yes.
Okay, guys, this is the realities of working at a Polish pizza and pastry factory. Our interview covers the work environment, tasks, and challenges. Learn about the roles and whether it's a good fit. Our aim and target is to recruiting more Africans to cover various space of others' companies. It's not easy to get a job abroad. Reason why we have put together good solutions and policies to provide you with legal employment with Andrew Marasuik and CWorldCo Self-Recruitment. Subscribe and follow for more information. Comments for any related question on Poland, Romania, Sweden, Czech Republic, and more about working visa. See you as my next candidates.